we are on location where our full service installation team is going to be transforming this bare naked slate into a full-on luxury dressing room in just a day's time. Hi, I'm Alicia with Closets to Go, where we make custom closets affordable for everyone. What makes our company really unique is the fact that we can provide our client instant gratification. Whether you go with our DIY or our full service installation, we pre-install all of the component parts, all of the functional hardware, LED, all the electrical in our manufacturing center before we even get on site. In this case, the homeowner has already gone to work for the day. When she returns, she'll be walking into her dream closet in just a day's time. Let's get started. So we're just halfway through the day and already we have quite the transformation. I just had to take a pause so I could show you what's going on here. Check out this wall. This is an armoire wall and the finish is gorgeous. Take a look at this. This is the Ashen finish by Araco. It's their Prism line. But you would think by looking at this that this was just freshly painted. No, this is the material finish and I'm telling you, it is soft as a rose petal. So this is Ashen. The mirror and the bench there is in Rosa, which is so gorgeous together. And I just love the handles. As you can see, they're really elegant to match the whole vibe. And these are by Jeffrey Alexander. Our homeowner is going to absolutely just fall in love when she gets home today. But I just had to take a little break. Keep in mind, we still have 2 more walls. We'll have a vanity going here on this side. And on the other side, we're gonna have a display shelf. So lots of goodies to come. Stay tuned. I don't know about you, but I already have closet envy. Look at this transformation. All right, take a look at this vanity. It is just beautiful. These glass knobs are from Murano, Italy. Love it. And take a look at this. Could you imagine how many pairs of shoes you could fit in these armoires? Lovely. And of course, the LED lighting. With just the click of a switch, you can change the ambiance of the whole entire room. And of course, the display case, beautiful for showcasing some of your finest art, books, and more. All in all, this room is a dream come true. Our full service installation team did a great job today. A recap, they do all of the work behind the scenes in our manufacturing center, so the day they're on the job, it's quick, easy, and painless for everyone. So when you're ready for your dream closet, come visit us at closetstogo.com.